Okay, so you have your 48-hour Filson tin cloth duffel bag. So it's important that you match too. And a funny story, I just got back from Dallas where we were at a conference with the Land Rover Defenders and had a buddy come by, and I was carrying my bags in and I pulled out my travel kit. And he said, wow, do you have to match in everything you do? And I was like, well, yeah, it's attention to detail. It's important that you match in everything you do. So here's my travel kit, which is also a Filson product too. The difference on this one though is it's a Twill. It's not a tin cloth. So what I'm telling you is it's not covered with wax. There's no reason that you couldn't put the wax coating, just like I need to re-wax my duffel, and I'll take pride in that when I go to re-wax this soon. You could wax this if you chose, but this is a heavy, durable cotton Twill. And I think it's the perfect companion for your 48-hour duffel. Or it's just the perfect, some people call it a Doppler kit, where you carry all your essentials, your toothpaste and your razor and hair products and brush and all that good stuff. But I think it's just the perfect one to actually spend some money on. Again, anything Filson's going to last a lifetime. And if you could just feel the thickness of this cotton Twill and the detail, the attention to detail in the stitching, and this is truly bridal leather. I mean, and you can feel that it's a heavy grade leather. And then again, I believe it's a YKK. No, it probably is a YKK zipper, but it has the Filson brand on it. And the zippers are just solid. You get your finger in there, you'll know. But it's the perfect case. It has a pocket on either side, so it does allow you to organize everything well. But this is the perfect bag, perfect companion, or a standalone product. You buy it once and it's going to last a lifetime. You can definitely buy some travel kits that are less expensive, in which I've done that. And I've bought some brand ones that, big brand that are supposedly Italian leather, and they smell good and everything else, but the durability of this one, the simplicity of this one, I think a bag like this and a bag like this does say a lot about you, that you're not worried about logos and brands, because there really is no branding on any of these products. It's simple, it's durable, and I think it's a good use of money because, again, it will last a lifetime. So there's the travel kit from Filson in Twill without the tin cloth. It's the perfect bag. So who's it for? It's for the gentleman that doesn't need to try to impress everybody. It's for the gentleman that wants simplicity, durability, and something that's going to last a lifetime.